Chahi nauriba macha sing drug sizinare khanglaba mama mapa singna losinuna thambagi chanabi thadoksi haina Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR gi chairperson Kaisam Pradeep na phongdokre wafam masing asi National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR amade Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR na sinduna one-day state-level review cum consultation on joint action plan on substance abuse among children and illicit trafficking ki matangda khana nainabagi thorom ama Manipur Press Club ki Loktak Hoda pangthokiba thorom aduga mari lenena phongdokhibane thorom aduda Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR gi chairperson Kaisam Pradeep Kumar, Imphal East District ki Deputy Commissioner Khumanthem Daina, Education S ki Director L Nandukumar, Social Welfare Director Ngangom Uttam amade Joint Director Banti Singh Konthojamsu sargyakhe. Pradeep Kumar na hai Manipur da chahi nauriba angang singna ngalingai matamdagi mayai kaba nisa sizinaba horakpa ase tongan ba nisa gi oiba polam sing chaba horakpadagi tungda sizinariba nisa adu thadokpa ngamdaba mioi kaya yauraktaba nate Manipur da laiba mi masinga drug sizinaba mi gi masinga yengnabada India gi oina Manipur na ani subada laire loinana lamdam asta pikliba chahi nauriba angang sing drug sizinare khanglaba mama mapa singna Maza singbu miyam khangdanaba losinba amadi maza singnasu miyamda aranbu wafam thamduna masagi maran kupsin bagi chatabi asi yariba makai thadoksi haina phungtokhe.
Dishana draft over JPC appointment say Iwana Yamdravada appointment Sumaina stakeholders in Pulaga Lady Sika issue of drugs and substance abuse is it very much related with children. This community siga namna mari leina ba obra hai bisi ai bana funjani mani akoina masi uwase ayamana drug users addicted persons in ayamana at the above 18 years of age ayam however research and survey na akoina indication that p was as early as 8 years of age sahi tai thoki atai lagi of substance abuse lorok kogi sing na hogi bagi findings and large population of children are using substance abuses, different kind of drugs and substances, and they are remain as hidden population. This is a very crucial matter. Hidden when the class 7, 8, 9, 10, strike the Mopakanda, Karasina Bahore, Yanamada, blue day or petrol, Manamadi or smoking the Hobia, tobacco, production, laga, pharmaceutical or narcotic drugs, single percent. I am an family na Masi Mayamda, share on the accept on the Kanabuna has no, where the man of Pigan or Aizase, Hobby Aizate, Highland, Rosana Corona. The Anam Nazo, and I don't know either soon the night of our family acceptance like the Ba, Alumana should do Minnesota off on the lakes. Alumana hayal ko na masak hangaba edit amo epusi my behavior that can change lava medical treatment da ka eraba adagi overdose issue la kanda madamdu dimaze above 18 years ago say any of the solutions to aduna ne apaina drug ki madam da apaina khamba kana angam si angam singje pop to but they are the hidden population and a very crucial one because another addiction to return the day lying the young boy, it has long term impact to his or her health.